Hi fellas, today we'll learn how to make custom posters using Canva's poster maker. I'm going to drop the URL and you can just click on the start designing a poster. So let's see what we can make today. I'm thinking about making a hiring poster and I'll use the design by creating by myself, but you can always use one of their templates. So they have a lot of templates on their website. So if you go here and you can write hire, it will give you a lot of templates from here. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. You can just select here one and you can just do it by change the images and information here. But we're going to try something new by ourselves. So let's delete it. Okay, so let's select the background color first. I'm going to go with a yellow one. It looks vibrant and vivid. So after that, here you have a lot of stuff that you can use, elements, text. If you have any images you can upload and use, you can even draw. And there are a ton of other apps where you can use Pexels, Unsplash, and other websites to create free images. But I will try to do with what we have here. So let's click on the elements and search for a circle so we can put it over here. Let's look for a circle shapes. No, we actually want graphics. This one looks good, a solid circle, but this is kind of yellow too, so we're going to change the color to red. That's cool. And you see, like, there are lines, grids. They help you to design your designs. So I'll just do it like this way. And after that, we need to work on some text. So we will go with, let's do add a heading. Let's just write them first. We are, we are hiring. Okay, it looks good. One of my favorite font is this one, so I will just use the Montserrat. This one. This is one of my favorite font that I always use. You know what? I'll just make it like this way. It doesn't still look good, so let's. You can change the font from here. You can increase the size. Let's say like we'll do 230. Oops, that looks big now. And we actually have to make it this way. And then let's see like what we can change here. The spacing. Let's set this to. Yeah, it looks better. And letter spacing should be smaller. Not a little bit smaller. Okay, now it looks much better. Okay, so now we have to put here something else too, like we're going to do join our teams like that. We will do a subheading. Okay, that's cool. Let's change the design a little bit. Okay, so this one, you can still change this a lot of stuff. Let's go to the effects and see. I like this one. Okay, join our team. It looks much better now. The size needs to be improved. So 130, no, 120. Okay, so 120 is much better. Okay. Okay, it looks much better now. Okay. Now we need to put some elements to make it look good. Let's do some dots. We'll go to the elements and search dots, and there are tons of paid and also some free too. Okay, let's see about free. Yeah, this one is free. Okay, we'll use one here and one here, so we'll just put two. Okay, let's see whether it looks good. Okay, here is, since we don't have a lot of spaces, we'll just put three, and here it can be a little bit more than that. Okay, so after that, we need to put what positions we're offering. If you want to use an image of your logo, web company's logo, you can just put it here, or you can put it here. But we'll just be posting it from our own website, so we don't need the logo here. Okay, then we need a body text. Okay, the body text is quite used though. Okay, again, we'll just go to Montserrat and we'll select it. This is a really cool font. That's what I feel like. Okay, and now we'll write as open. Let's open positions. Okay. After that, we need another body where we'll share like what positions we're actually offering, and this will be bullet points because we'll share some. Oops. Let's say we need a content writer. We're going to fix the formatting later, and then we can hire some, I don't know, maybe a photographer, videographer, maybe let's say a supervisor or manager. I'm just showing what you can do with this. Okay, we'll just align this, and now we need to select the font. uh, I mean, we already did. We just have to reduce the size of this because it looks big. Okay, it looks much better. Okay, now change the spacing a little bit. Yes, this is better. Okay, after that, we want people to contact us. You can just go to the text and write contact us, and they will give you a lot of templates already. This one is good actually to me. So I'm just going to use this one, and okay, they are using different fonts. Okay, now I'll use the one we're using for this design. They're already using Montserrat Light. Okay, you can just drag and make the size bigger. Okay, this looks better now. Yes, this looks much better than before. But I feel like this thing should be a little bit bigger. Yes. But if you feel like you want to increase the size of this, you can click it from here too. Talk to us. Okay. What else do you have? We can have an image of our company logo, or maybe we can use frames. Let's say, like, if we can use any frames from here. Yes, let's go and check the frames now. You know what? I'm going to use the circle frame. Yes, looks cool. So here you can put the image of your logo, or what you can do is you can use an image of an applicant, or maybe some images of your office. I'm going to go to Pexels. It's a free website where you can get images and use their images for free. So this is an app. I'm going to open it and I'll search headshot. Okay, we can use, let's say like we'll use this person here. See, it looks much better now. It gives you a personal touch. So this is how you create a poster on Canva. We just created one for our hiring. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.